Here's a room that we really didn't touch very much. We did freshen it up. It has this really nice bow window, and the lighting in this house is just really nice. Um, this is the existing. You can see, the typical muddy tan kind of uh, paint. Very again consistent with kind of a 90s, 2000s edition. Um, this is the addition in the back. You can see with the windows separated staccato and just that, like we've talked about before in the other video about the family room. Um, this is just not a very usable room. It's not connected very well to the um, original center hall Colonial brick home, but it was added as a frame addition without brick and wood siding. So it was kind of easy to change compared to some of the walls and things like in the kitchen where we needed to actually rework the brickwork. Thankfully, that area was damaged by, I guess I shouldn't say thankfully, but that area was damaged by the tree. So it gave us the opportunity to make those changes. Um, so this is just, showing kind of what this space was like. And you come in from the foyer here, the front door, and make a right, and this is the space that you're in. Um, Here you can see everything's just lightened up, freshened up. Um, the minimal industrial uh, contemporary feel of the house with the natural wood floors, the Ames furniture, um, just a really fresh and clean space. Um, Not every client is looking for kind of a minimalism that these clients were, but it certainly really reflects what's important to them and how they wanted to live.